Ma'am. Hi, good day, ma'am.
Hi,
How you doing?
I'm good.
I'm sorting out my camera. You really look good.
Thank you.
I see you look like a regular customer. You know. Are you a regular customer?
I am
You are. Why decided to join us?
because the shipping is fast and I got the packages right at my doorstep.
Yeah, I'm trying to show the package and the camera going up in the air. Forgive me, persons. Persons on the internet, forgive me. My camera lady is not here, so I'm doing it myself. All right. We say you love the fast delivery.
Yes, I know as I'm at school, I can't manage to leave the house to get the packages, so
Yeah.
I get it right at my doorstep.
Right at your doorstep. Whole heap of convenience, see?
Yes.
You can spend more time in class.
Yes.
You zoom in,
Google Meet.
Google Meet.
You name it, I'm on there.
Hey guys, tell me, which one I prefer, Google Meet or Zoom? Say it in the comment here.
It's Google Meet for me.
Google Meet for you. Ship from overseas and deliver to your doorstep, right? I want to late, right?
Right.
Alright, and the box there down there, so I know how you're going to manage it then. The box there heavy. You going to pay me for lift out the box there?
Put it on my bill.
Put it on our bill. Alright guys, I hear that shit, I must put it on my bill. Alright, I want to thank you so much. You want to say bye to the guys for me?
Bye everyone. Make sure that you sign up with them and you get the free shipping. Well, not free shipping. Deliver at your doorsteps.
Deliver to the doorstep, but the shipping is cheap, right?
Right.
Cheap shipping. Alright, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Alright, bye.